Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my second ever attempted drag look. This is what my first one looked like in the thumbnail, which was all cute and pretty, and then this is my second attempt. So today I'm going to show you how I did this, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that for me. I'd really appreciate it. I put a video out every single day, sometimes 2 a day, and if you want more good quality content like this, keep on watching. Hey, so I've already primed my face, and that's the only normal thing about this for me. And I'm going to try to cover my brows first, because that's the one thing I can never freaking do. So I have this old glue stick. Well, it's not old. I've used it once. And we're just going to try to do this, I guess. So I'm going to push the hairs up with this. And I don't have that much brow hair, so it shouldn't be hard. But like for some reason, every time I try to do this, it's literally impossible. Okay, so after my layers of glue, I'm going to take some translucent powder. This is the NYX Studio HD Photo Powder or whatever. This feels very strange, by the way. And I'm just going to take it on a little cosmetic sponge from Cream Shop. Also, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I freaking hate this powder. It's too powdery. Said that too much. It's too powdery for powder. Like, it's extra powdery for powder. Like, it goes everywhere, and I barely pick anything up with a regular sponge, because it just wants to... And now that I have powder everywhere on me, I think these are flat enough to work with. So I'm going to take some concealer. This is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. And I'm going to try to cover them up. And if it doesn't work perfectly, I'm freaking sorry, but I'm not a drag queen. Okay, anyways, this is done for my brows. I'm just going to hope my eyeshadow can go all the way up here to cover the shading. Sorry, the camera's shaking. Cat jumped off the table. But I guess we're going to move on now to foundation. Alright, let's do this foundation. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty in 110. Since it's full coverage and pale enough to cover these brows, hopefully. I know drag queens usually cream contour and stuff, but I'm not about that life. I cannot cover these eyebrows. Why won't it cover? What the... I'm going to do concealer now. And I'm probably going to pack more on top of this because I cannot cover this and I don't know why. You know what, whatever. If you see my brows, I don't care. Anymore. This is too much freaking work for some eyebrows. I don't know how you guys do it. I guess you used to it, but still. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana powder. It's not a setting powder, but I'm going to use it as one today. I'm just going to pack it on skin since I do look super pale. I'm going to use that same NYX powder from before to do my under eye setting and then set the brows again. Again! Freaking in, because you can't set them once, Bridgette. Still see my eyebrows. I am so freaking mad right now. Like, I know I seem a little agitated on camera, but on the inside I am screaming. I watched 8 videos on how to cover your brows before I came in here to do this. And I hate this powder a lot. Anyways, let's move on to fake eyebrows now. After my real ones are both. I'm going to take the NYX Dipbrow, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in medium brown, and I'm going to take the Kat Von D Tattoo Brow in light brown and see if I can make some fake ones. Alright, so I did my brows. This one looks like crap. This one looks okay though. Look at that. Who is she? Hello. This one looks like crap. This one's like Walmart. This one's like Target. You know? Yeah. So let's see what we can do next. I think we're gonna move on to contour. I just stepped on an electrical cord for a heater. Like, it came out of the wall and I stepped on it, and I'm like, oh God. I'm surprised I'm not bleeding with this pain. We gotta move on. Not focus on it. Don't focus on the pain. Don't focus on the pain. Focus on fixing your face. Fix your face. I'm gonna use the NYX Little Duo Contour Palette. This really hurts. I'm gonna use the Colourpop contour brush, and I'm just gonna like raise my cheekbones an inch. Like mine are down here. We'll put it up here. Am I supposed to like take something and carve something out? I feel like that's what I'm supposed to be doing right now. I do not know how to contour a nose to save my life, so be prepared for that. I have zero clue how to contour a nose. But now I'm supposed to. So there's that. I'm going to take this little spongy sponge again in my little brown contour color. Oh, it's too much. I'm just going to take it from here. This is not going well. And I just started. We haven't even got to the eyeballs or anything yet. And already failing at life over here. Okay, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender into the light color of the contour palette now. And just go along the edges of this part. Because I don't know if, like... I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. This looks stupid. Alright. Now I'm going to move on to blush. Because I'm giving up on this nose contour. Already. Does it look good? No. Do I really care? I don't know, man. This is not going the way I expected. I really expected to nail these brows being taped down after watching all these videos. Like, oh, I got this. I don't. I'm gonna put this into the under the contour, the light color. Okay, blush time. I'm gonna take this Milani Delizioso pink blush. Delizioso, I think it's supposed to be pronounced. It's super pink, and I'm just gonna like pack it on. Next, it's time for highlighting. Bring some light to the space. Bring some light to the space. I'm feeling out of it today. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Platinum Ice Palette today for my highlight. And I'm going to use Ice Cold because it is the most blinding. And I'm just going to apply like I normally would, except, you know, just like extra. And I think I'm going to blend into this Alien Ice Green color too, because like, screw it. Why not? Boop, 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 boop. I always see people doing this. Like they're doing Morse code by tapping so much highlight on the tip of their nose. I don't get it. I don't get it. Stop doing that. And that goes not just for drag queens, because like y'all are already doing extra enough. It goes for everyone, especially on Instagram. Like They will do anything to make this a signal light. And I don't get it. Okay, so the next step that we have to do is eyes. And I'm nervous. So I'm going to take the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. Yeah. I'm going to pack on this bright red. We're going to pack on this bright red because red and orange is kind of counteract the blue, which is like kind of the shading we have on here. On a big old blending brush. Let's take a big old blending brush. And this thing is super pigmented. And I'm just going to go up here with it. Yeah. Screw it. We're brave today. So tell me why this will not pack onto the actual area I want it to. Is there like too much powder, too much concealer, too much something up there? Because it will not go on this area. I'm starting to think that this would have gone a lot better if I had just like made these brows down here part of my natural brow hairs and just like styled them differently or shaped them differently. So this ain't going well. Okay, so this is what we got right now. The highlight looks good though. It's so bad. I'm gonna darken up this red with this Jamila color. Just because this is going to be our new crease I'm making underneath this brow hazard. And then I'm going to try to make a new lid, I guess, with this. Because my little lid, the way on here, it's all covered up. And then you have the skin. And then you have this. So let's take the Naked Skin Concealer again. This is where I get nervous. And I'm just going to put it all over. Put it all over. Okay, I'm gonna just carve this out now, like, maybe I should have picked a thicker concealer, because this one's, like, so liquidy. I think I'm gonna try to pack on this gold color right here, which is called Wabi. And I'm gonna set this. And I'm gonna lean back this whole time so this doesn't crease. This is not working. We're not taking that color. We are taking... Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it. Just give it to me. Okay, no, this color is not working. I'm going to grab a different palette. Okay, so I got a different palette, and I'm going to use the color Revolt from the Urban Decay Electric palette that looks like these. And it's a silver. So I'm going to take that on my finger and just pack it on. So, like, I don't know, maybe it was the concealer I used, or maybe I'm just not using a buttery enough shadow. This is not, like, poppin' color-wise. So I'm going to take a different color from the palette. I'm going to take Chaos, which is this blue, purpley neon color, on a smaller brush than last time. I'm just going to pack it right into here, on the outside. And I'm going to mend it with this red crease. And we're going to see what happens. Yay! For experimentation. Also, it is 3:30 in the afternoon here. And Daniel still hasn't woken up. Like, I'm not sure if he's still alive. Should probably go check on him, but I'm sure I'll hear a snore coming from across the apartment. We went to bed at like 3:30 last night. I don't know why he's still asleep. Like, who needs 12 hours of sleep? Actually, don't answer that because I woken up at 12 the other day. Okay, so next I'm gonna deepen that red color that didn't work out. And just like make that darker. Okay, so next is a part that I was really nervous about before, but now I'm like, we're already this far. Who cares, right? And that is the under eyes. So I'm gonna take the red color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm trying to find a brush. I'm just gonna pack it, and then I'm gonna like leave a little bit of opening, I guess, so we can put like a new waterline in. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some white eyeliner, put it in my waterline, and then I'm gonna take some white cream and put it down to here. Like I don't know how to explain this anymore. I'm so done with this, and then we're nowhere close to being done. Okay, so I'm gonna go put some lashes and mascara on, and I will be right back. If I don't like die of like, by then. I can see the concealer under here just like dying. So last up is a lash. I mean, after my lashes are on, I put like 2 little tiny bottom pieces. I think they're ugly, but like, I'm not wasting my little singles, so I only have 1 pack of them. And then I put some giant Koko lashes on. They're either Koko lashes or Halloween lashes. I can't remember. Last up is to do my lips. I'm choosing Mermaid by Jeffree Star because it's crazy, just like this look. And I'm going to overline a lot today. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I totally just ruined this beautiful look by putting too much highlight in the inner corner, and I was just like sitting there. But I'm gonna go put some hair on, and I will be right back to show you the final gorgeous, stunning look. Okay, so as you can see, I put this black Radiance eyeliner for my brows, make them black to match the hair. And this is my finished look. I guess a drag queen wouldn't really be going out wearing a Dr. Pepper's Berries and Cream t-shirts you got at the thrift store for 75 cents, so it's such a good deal. But this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my skills or lack thereof, give me a like on this video. And maybe I'll do another one if you want it. This is actually the only like huge, big, fluffy hair that I have, and I really like it. It's so pretty. Anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day wherever you are. If you want to recreate this and tag me on Instagram, I'll repost it because, like, why not, right? Hope you guys have an awesome day. Bye. I should go to, like, McDonald's and just act like this is my real look. And if I had covered these eyebrows, I feel like this would be, like, really convincing. I don't even feel like myself right now. So it's almost 4 o'clock now, and I'm going to go wake Daniel up and see if he recognizes me. Dan, it's almost 4 o'clock. Dan? It's almost 4 o'clock, Dan.
Nah. What the fuck?